Hi, I'm Matthew Durley. Firstly, according to PETA, the human body is capable of living a long, healthy life while only consuming plant material. The United States is facing an obesity epidemic. According to the CDC, the Center for Disease Control, as meat consumption has increased from 138 pounds per capita in 1960 to 195 pounds per capita in 2014, the obesity rate has increased from 11% in 1960 to 35% in 2014. The average American diet consists of 62% processed foods like oil, sweets, and refined grains, 25.5% meats, dairies, eggs, and fish, 2.5% whole grains, and finally 10% of unrefined plant foods like fruits, vegetables, beans, nuts, and seeds. This diet promotes chronic disease and suppresses immune functions. According to a study done by the Chicago Tribune, plant-based diet eaters experience great benefits on their health. The average body mass index for a vegan is 23.6, which is much lower than the average of a meat eater, which is 28.8. Keep in mind that 30 is considered obese. Being a vegan, you are at lower risk of cardiovascular disease than any other choice of eating, like meat eating or vegetarian eating. Vegan eaters are also at lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Vegans are at a lower risk for chronic inflammation, and vegans are also at a 15% advantage over meat eaters in their death rate. Meat-eating organisms have short intestinal tracts, 3 to 6 times the length of their body. So the meat passes through the system quickly in order to prevent the meat from rotting and causing illness. Humans and other herbivores have longer intestinal tracts, 10 to 11 times the length of their body, which allows the body to break down fiber and absorb nutrients from plant-based foods. When meat is introduced into the tract, it poses a dangerous threat of illness from rotted meat because of the length of the intestinal tract, and that can lead to colon cancer. And also, while the meat is going through the long intestinal tract, it gives the bacteria present in the meat time to multiply and cause food poisoning. According to a study done by Dr. Milton Mills, humans are built like herbivores. For example, carnivores have large mouths with a small head. Humans, like any other herbivore, has a small mouth and a large head. Also, the teeth of a carnivore can be described as sharp, jagged, and spade-shaped, so that they can chew through raw flesh and kill their prey easily. While humans and other herbivores' teeth can be described as flattened, blunted, and nodular in shape, to help with the breakdown of plant material. My plan to fix the epidemic of obesity that the United States is facing today is to change the diet of every American and make it 100% plant-based. This is shown through studies that I have already mentioned, that it lowers one's BMI and decreases their risk for death and will overall decrease obesity in the United States. Thank you.